part 2. We got clean and press 10 times. We got up standing rows 10 times. We got power clean 10 times. And we got 10 shoulder presses. And I'm on like a little schedule thing. I think I was mentioning in a couple videos ago. Monday is bench press, push pull legs. Sundays are active rest. So on top of doing whatever Cochran sent me to do, I still got my responsibilities. Monday is bench press. Tuesday is upright rows with the barbell. Wednesday is deadlift. Thursday is shoulder press. Friday is pull-ups. Saturday is squats. Sunday is active rest, whether that be a long walk, jump rope, jog. I just got some rollerblades, content coming soon, but you know, just a light day, you know what I'm saying, Sunday. So here we go. Back up, Remy. Hope y'all can see this. Can't really see what I got going on over here. Let's see, is this better? Probably gonna have to get the side profile. That's fine. That's all good. The side view. That's cool. I'll take that. Yeah, that's cool. All right, here we go. Back up, man. Three, 4, 5, 6. Back up, Randy. 7, 8. Yeah. 8. 2 more. Yeah. Ah. Ah. Ish. Woo. Standing rows next. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeesh. Woo! Power clean next. I'm on the grind. Power clean. Go on 30 more seconds. Oh yeah. 30 seconds. Here we go. Back up, Raymond. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 10. Woo! Shoulder press. It's a good one, man. It's old school gains right here. "30 seconds. You ain't see that. All right, here we go. Back up, Remy. Come on. Ish. Ish. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Whew. Got one more to do. We're gonna do some rows. About 30 seconds. Where we at with time? Yeah. That's 25. We're gonna go under grip for 25. Call that a day. Come on. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good money right there. That's good money. Hey, it's gonna be a wrap for the night. Tomorrow I'm gonna get out here a little earlier. But in the meanwhile, build yourself. Destroy your excuses. Rebuild your life. Catch you next time. Peace.